To configure a hinged door cabinet, the catalog must first be opened. Now appear configurable product categories. Hinged door cabinets are located in the Cabinet Systems group, where cabinets are categorized based on function and use. The configuration can now be started using either an empty housing or one of the configuration samples. The selected housing appears in the 3D space and is ready for configuration. By clicking on the model, options such as Configure, Duplicate, and Delete appear. Clicking on Configure opens an individual selection menu on the right side of the screen. The dimensions of the hinged door cabinet can be individually adjusted by using the tabs Width, Depth, and Height. Optionally, the cabinet can be equipped with a fixed partition wall. In this case, no fixed partition is desired. A preferred color for the housing in front can be selected from our standard color range. Optionally, the hinged door cabinet can be equipped with an adjustable partition wall, available in 3 variants: middle, left, and right. In this case, no adjustable partition is desired. Adjustable shelves can be selected and added in quantity. Their position is preset. The desired number of drawers and pull-out shelves is made possible through a selectable configuration. The selectable options vary because number and position are coordinated. Now a door can be equipped either a clasp lock or a handle lock system. For the flap lock system, the standard range offers 3 locking systems: key lock, code lock, and contactless RFID locking. In this case, the key lock system is desired. The lock version is selected in the separately lockable variant. The doors are available in solid sheet metal or with a viewing window. With the substructure option, the hinged door cabinet can be fitted with a leveling foot set to adapt uneven floors. But it's also possible to raise the cabinet by using a subframe. Optionally, a panel can be added to the subframe. To visually check the content once again at the end or simply to look inside the cabinet, it's possible to open the doors. The configuration is now complete. To configure a battery charging cabinet, the catalog must first be reopened. Select Cabinet Systems and then choose Battery Charging Cabinets. All cabinet systems with a 230-volt electrical connection are located here. The configuration can now be started using either an empty housing or one of the configuration samples. The selected housing appears in the 3D space and is ready for configuration. The dimensions of the hinged door cabinet can be individually adjusted by using the tabs Width, Depth, and Height. A preferred color for the housing in front can be selected from our standard color range. Adjustable shelves can be selected and added in quantity. Their position is preset. Now a door can be added and either a clasp lock or a handle lock system selected. In this case, the system for contactless RFID locking is selected. The door design remains in the solid sheet metal version. A base with a cover panel is selected as the substructure. The hinged door cabinet is now equipped with electrical components in the electrification section. By selecting the option Power Conduit Configuration, two additional tabs appear: Power Conduit Back Wall and Power Conduit Side Wall. Using the Power Conduit Back Wall tab, the desired number of power conducts can be selected. The options vary here as well, as the number and position are coordinated with the adjustable shelves. The power strip are available in a 5-socket 230-volt or a 9-socket 230-volt version. Country-specific adjustments to the power modules of the power strip are possible, with options for Chukot, Switzerland, Great Britain, or France. Optionally, the battery charging cabinet can be equipped with a residual current device and circuit breaker, either on the energy channel or the housing. For active cooling of the cabinet interior, the hinged door cabinet can be equipped with a fan. For even better visibility inside the cabinet, the LED lighting tab can be added to provide optimal illumination of the storage area. The lighting is located on the inside of the cabinet on the right. The Power Conduit Sidewall tab can only be freely configured if the Power Conduit Back Wall tab is empty. Either the rear wall or the side wall can be configured. Using the Power Conduit Sidewall tab, the desired number of power conducts can be selected. Country-specific adjustments to the power modules of the power strip are possible, with options for Chukot, Switzerland, Great Britain, or France. The configuration is now complete.